name is AB3 John Michael Cody Hernandez. I've been in the Navy for 3 years, and my current man-up spots are safety observer and deck edge operator. I'm doing what I joined the Navy to do now, because as I was joining the Navy, AB wasn't even a rate that was offered to me. No AB rate was. I already had like the image in my head that I saw a commercial. I saw the shooter go down and the plane shot off over him. I was like, well, what is that? What is that job? And he's like, that's like what an ABE does. And I was like, well, I want that contract. And he's like, no, you don't. The first time that I watched flight ops was on my first ship, and I remember watching it all happen, and none of it made sense at all. Well, as a deck edge operator, I'm talking downstairs to panel. I'm waiting for them to tell me that the CSV is set and matched, and when we have CAT ready, after I retract the shuttle, I hold one finger up. That's indicating to the shooter that we have CAT ready. Then I'm waiting on topside PO to get the holdback bar put on and start taxiing through the NGL. Topside PO will do his thing. JBD operator will raise the JBDs. Bird comes through, and once the launch bar of the plane is on top of the spreader, topside will go back in. He'll look at me. If I still have one finger up, he knows it's all good. And he gives him power to take tension. Topside to do his sweep, give the take tension signal to the ABH will do his sweep, give the take tension signal to me, at which time the ABH will give power over to the shooter will take control and start throttling up. After we go into mil power, then we're waiting on the pilot. He'll give the shooter a hand salute, saying that he's ready to go into final ready. Then the shooter will begin his final checks, and I'll press the final ready push button, and I'll have both hands in the air. Then I'm waiting on the shooter. I'm still looking around to see if anybody's suspending. And if everything's good, the shooter will go down, give me the signal to launch, at which time I'll do my sweep and just go down and press fire. Now, it doesn't really seem like people just running around, because I know what everybody's doing. And on safety days when I have the Hydra, you can hear all the ABHs talking to each other. You can hear the air boss talking, the shooters talking to you from the bubble. And it seems more like a big orchestrated dance now. Like everybody has their part in the dance, and everybody just they do their part to make all this happen.